Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to download the latest notices to mariners through internet or through mobile phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So, hello guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa ating lahat. So, for today's video, we're gonna find the weekly notices to mariners. So first, you're going to go to Google using your browser, Google Chrome, and search for notices to mariners. Here, you can find weekly notices to mariners. So to find that link, so here you're gonna select this one, notices to mariners, admiralty.co.uk. You're gonna click this one. I'm gonna put this link down below for you to find. So in here you can find different files for the week. For this one, this is week 48. As you can see, scroll down, and if you want to select which week, just click in here, select week. So you're gonna search which week. For example, this one, week 37 in here. So week 37 notices to mariners is in here. So for now, we're gonna use week 48. So to find the latest update, you're gonna select the largest file in here. For this one, this is 3 MB, and you're going to download. So once you download, you can open this file now. Okay, still loading. So here, this is week 48 for this one, 1st December 2022. So you're gonna find this one. All the updates are in here for the week 48. So this is the complete file, because this is the largest file. So you need to download this one, save it to your desktop. So same procedures when going to our mobile. So you're going to your browser, Chrome, and the same procedure, search for notices to mariners. So again guys, I will put the link down below for your reference. So still the same, accept all cookies and search for your update. So in here, week 49. Okay, you're gonna find the largest file. It's this one, week 49, WKNM22, and that's it. So we're gonna open the file. Okay, so this is the file for week 49. So that's it guys. That's how to download weekly notices to mariners. So if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please support me by hitting the like and subscribe button. If you are new to this page, thank you very much.